Good?
Good.
Hi, boys and girls. Mr. Santonzi here. I know we gave work today that was 13-1, and that's order of operations. Now, the order of operations is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. You need to have an order because if you do a problem and I do a problem, and we don't follow the same order in terms of what we're going to do first and last, then we're going to end up with different numbers. So we have a system that we can all do the same exact thing the same way, and we all should get the same answer, and that is PEMDAS. Now for PEMDAS, you may have noticed already, like, the easiest part is find the parentheses, do that first. Exponents we really don't deal with, but here's where it gets tricky. You have multiply and divide. These are actually tied in the order. It's whichever one comes first going left to right. Add and subtract is also tied. It's whichever comes first going left to right. So to me, when I look at this for today's lesson, there's really only three orders. It's one, get the parentheses done first. Next, you're going to decide multiply or divide going left to right. And then the last is add or subtract left and right. Now this was a problem from today's work, and I don't have everybody's in, but it's one that I'm seeing like it's a common problem that happens all the time. It's one of my favorite mistakes. It's that, and I'll show you when we do it, is that you get to a point where you have to make a decision which one are you going to do next, and sometimes you choose the wrong one. You do the adding because it looks right because it's left to right because you're so used to doing it this way. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So first, when I look at this problem, there's no parentheses, so I'm going to skip down to multiply and divide. Now I look here, I have multiply and divide. Oh, which one am I going to do first? The one you're going to do first is the one that comes first going left to right. And if you look, multiplication is first. So I'm going to do 7 times 6. And this is just like Dorito math. See how it looks like a Dorito? Maybe if I put a bite mark here, it looks a little more like a Dorito. 7 times 6 is 42. Now once I do 7 times 6, I draw a line, I did it, it's done, I have 42. I'm going to recopy the rest of the equation. Okay. Now I'm in a spot where I have to make another decision. There's no parentheses. Is there multiplication or division going left to right? There is. And this is where some mistakes were made in today's lessons. I think that you may have done 3 plus 2 is 45, and then 45 divided by 3 was 15. I saw 15 is a common answer. What you have to do here is you have to do 42 divided by 3 first. 42 divided by 3 is 15, and then you do it's 42 divided by 15 is 14, and then you do 3 plus 14 is 17. And that was the answer to number 3 on your worksheet. Okay, so that hopefully clarified that one. I know that was a little bit of an issue. I'm going to do one more equation just so you get the idea.
You might want to stop it because it's long, and then
Okay.
we'll do 2 videos. Okay.